Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is for loop. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos, you can visit my channel or click on my playlist link given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. These are the subtopics in looping statements. In this video, we are going to see the second and third topic, for loop and for loop with range function. For loop. I am going to explain you with a real-time example. Consider I have varieties of chocolates on my plate. I cannot eat all the chocolates at one go, but I can eat one chocolate at a time and will continue to eat until my plate is empty. Now my plate is empty, so I will stop the loop. You can relate this example with for loop in Python programming. For loops are used to iterate over a sequence such as list, tuple, string, dictionary, and set. This is the syntax of for loop. It starts with the keyword for and then a variable followed by the keyword in and then a sequence type variable and ends with a colon. A block of statements starts from a new line with 4-space indentation. Here you can see that a membership operator in is used. Let me explain this with an example. In this example, I have a list of items like cake, biscuit, chocolate, and ice cream. So for each iteration, the variable item will be assigned a value from the list. For first iteration, cake will be assigned to item and it prints I am eating cake. For second iteration, biscuit will be assigned to item, so it prints I am eating biscuit. For third iteration and fourth iteration, it prints I am eating chocolate and I am eating ice cream respectively. Let's write a program to demonstrate for loop. I am creating a list variable lsfood is equal to cake, biscuit, chocolate, ice cream. For loop starts here. For item in lsfood. Print item. Let's save and run the program. You can see that it prints each item from the sequence one by one using for loop. Let's change the list type variable to set type by replacing square bracket with curly bracket. Save and run the program. It prints each item from set variable but in random order because items in set is unordered. Let's use string type variable in for loop. For n in Python, print n. It prints each character from string one by one because string is a sequence of characters. Now I am using tuple type variable in for loop. It prints each item from tuple one by one. For loop using range function. Range is a built-in function in Python. This function can be used in looping statements. It is used to generate a sequence of numbers within a given range. It accepts 3 arguments. They are start. It is an integer number specifying at which position to start. It is optional and default is 0. Stop. An integer number specifying at which position to stop. It stops before the specified number. It is required argument. Step. An integer number specifying the increment or decrement. It is optional and default is 1. There are 3 ways you can call range function. It takes one argument which is stop. It takes two arguments, start and stop. It takes three arguments, start, stop and step. Range of stop. It returns a series of numbers that starts from 0 and increments by 1 up to the number before stop. For example, range of 6 will return values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Range of start, stop. It returns a series of numbers that starts from the start argument and increments by 1 up to the number before the stop argument. For example, range of 5, 10 will return values 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Range of start, stop, step. It returns a series of numbers that starts from start argument and increments by step argument and moves up to the number before stop argument. For example, range of 5, 15, 2 will return values 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Range of 10, 30, 3 will return values 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, 25, 28. Range with negative step. A negative step is used to decrement the series. So it is necessary to have higher value for start argument and lower value for stop argument. For example, range of 30, 10, minus 3 will return values 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12. Range of 20, 10, minus 2 will return values 20, 18, 16, 14 and 12. Let's see a demo on using range function in for loop. Here range function takes one argument, which is 5. So it prints integer from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here range function takes two arguments 5, 10. The range starts from 5 to 10. So it prints integer 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Range function takes three arguments 5, 15, 2. The range starts from 5 to 15 and step is 2. So the output value is incremented by 2. It prints 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. In this example, the arguments are 10, 30, 3. The range starts from 10 to 30 and step is 3. The value is incremented by 3 and the output is 10, 13, 16 and so on until it is lower than 30. In this example, I am using negative step value. The range starts from 30 and continues until greater than 10, decrementing the value by 3. So the output is 30, 27, 24 and so on. For loop using range function. We can also access items from a sequence by using range function along with length function. Consider a list variable mylist is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9. Applying length function on mylist, the output will be 4. Now applying range function on 4, the output will be 0, 1, 2, 3. This output is actually indexes of each item in mylist. Now we can iterate mylist using these indexes. Let's access each item from mylist using for loop. I am using range of length of mylist in for loop. In this print statement, I am accessing each item of mylist using index, mylist of I. Let's write this program in Python ideally and run the program. Now you can see the output 3579. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends, and for any questions and comments, feel free to post it in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.